Houston, we have a problem. A financial problem. Well, more like an overly negative reaction to a financial decision by the LUNR-focused company Intuitive Machines. Because despite setting itself up for massive technological and logistical growth in the coming years, which we covered in the previous 3 videos on the company, its stock was hit with a big sell-off after the company priced a $300 million offering of 2.500% convertible senior notes due 2030. The deal was initially announced at $250 million, but was upsized to $300 million, with initial purchasers having a 13-day window to buy an extra $45 million. The offering is expected to close on August 18, 2025. The notes carry a 2.500% annual coupon, payable semi-annually on April 1st and October 1st, starting April 1st, 2026. Intuitive Machines estimates net proceeds of approximately $291.8 million after fees. About $32 million of the proceeds will cover capped call hedges, and the balance will fund general corporate purposes, including program advancement and runway support. Convertible notes allow companies like Intuitive Machines to borrow at low rates now, with the option for conversion to equity later. However, this structure can lead to possible share dilution in the future, which might be a concern for investors. As cash runways tighten for many small space players, this capital raise could provide Intuitive Machines with some breathing room. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.